prince. Me.
Cinderella Barbie's gonna go with you?
Yeah. Baby, am I sick?
You're sick?
No, I'm not sick. You told me to bomb me?
I'm just videotaping you. How are you gonna...
Oh, open door. I need a ball.
How are you getting there?
Raining. Oh. And money, hurry.
You need to hurry?
Yes. So my run, my pizza, so my ball, so my run.
You need to run?
Yeah, send what I do. Send what I need to ball. So my run, a ball.
You're gonna run to the ball. Okay.
Yes.
Ainsley, why don't you pretend that the ball's over here by the Christmas tree? I think they're having a ball right there.
No, I need the ball. I need the pins. I need the ball. And now I did the pins for a while.
You have to dance with the prince for a while?
Yes. Maybe you might hurry. Maybe you might turn a pumpkin.
Maybe you need to hurry because you're going to turn into a pumpkin?
Yes. So I might need to hurry.
You need to hurry?
Yes, Cinderella hurries too.
Cinderella hurries too.
Yes.
What's your name?
My Cinderella. And this Cinderella. And now Andy's Cinderella.
Okay, Ainsley's Cinderella now?
Oh.